Hello everyone and welcome back to Malibu. Today we're doing a simple tropical fruit smoothie. Coconut milk, mango, banana, pineapple, bit of vanilla essence, some papaya and a few almonds. And it takes a few minutes to make. Lovely creamy smoothie. I'll just show you the simple steps now. Thank you. Hello everyone. Well, wasn't that quick, simple and easy? You've got the finished product here in front of me. So since it's a tropical smoothie, serve it in a coconut bowl. So it gets nice and thick. Look at that. Just have a bit of a quick taste test. You can taste everything. Nothing is overpowering any other product. You taste the coconut, you taste the mango, the banana, the pineapple, and a little bit of papaya, and you can feel the almonds in there as well. It's fantastic. You can see it there now. And the only thing, maybe you could probably add a bit of ginger if you like into it. Or if you had one of those days at work, you're making it if you come home from work, no hesitations in putting in a few drops of rum or Malibu we've got here in Australia, which is a coconut rum. Make it even taste better. Delicious.